Hello everyone, Physics EMSAT question. The below graph shows applied force on an object of mass m as a function of time. What is the total change in the object's momentum? We know that the change in momentum, delta p, equals the impulsive force, which is F times t. So here from the graph, to get the impulse, which is equal to the momentum, we need to get the area under the slope, which is these areas. And as we see here, this area will be positive and this one will be negative. So the first area, which is for the triangle, will be equal to 2, which is the base, times the height, which is 10. So it will be 20. And here, from 2 to 4, which is 2, and the height is negative 10. So the same thing, it will be negative 20. Now, if we add them up, 20 plus negative 20, so the result or the answer will be 0. So let's check the answers. Here, the third answer, 0 kilogram meter per second. Thank you.